Hey everybody, Mrs. Wenzel here. Let's get a high five or a hug or a hustle as we get started today. Today we're going to be working on some chemical reactions and I hope they work. I do have on my maroon and white today for our virtual spirit week, and here we go. Thanks to Mrs. Mosier for putting me on to this idea. The first thing we are going to make is elephant toothpaste, and it is a really cool chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is when you take two substances, put them together, and they make a completely new substance. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these pre-measured 3 tablespoons of water and put it in to a bowl with some yeast and stir it up a little bit. The next thing I am going to do is measure half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and put it into this cup right here. Notice I'm doing this outside and on a tray. Then I'm going to take some dish soap. So we need something to hold the bubbles there. And we're going to swirl this up. Guys, I have no idea if this is going to work, so bear with me. And a little bit of dye just to make it a pretty color. And this should be an exothermic reaction. That means it should release heat. Again, I have no idea if this is going to work. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not very red, but very cool. This is called elephant toothpaste. I think you can see why, but it is not the kind of toothpaste that you use on your teeth. So we had two different, or actually several different solutions. We've put them together and we've made a great foam. This is releasing heat. It's exothermic, as I said. And next, if you don't have hydrogen peroxide yeast at your house, I bet you do have baking soda and vinegar. I've already measured out some baking soda into this glass. I'm going to set it right down here next to that. And this one is going to be an endothermic reaction. It is going to suck in heat. So if you feel the glass, it should feel cold. Here's my cup of vinegar, and let's take a look. Woo! Science! All right, everybody. God loves you. So do I. Be a nice human.